So today we're going to show you the workings of the AC400 and the filter change. So as you can see, you've got a front panel on the AC400 to operate the machine, but it can also be used by using the remote control. On the remote control you've got the red off button, the green on and speed, and the yellow one is for the time variation of 1, 2 and 4 hours. So if we were to turn the machine on, it automatically comes onto the high mode and then drops down to the low. What you can do then is just use the green button again to change from low through medium and to high. You can see how quiet it is there as well, so it's nice and quiet running. And then above that we've got the timed, which is a 1, 2 and 4 hour. So we use the yellow button to bring up the 1 hour, then it'll automatically switch off after 1 hour, and then again 2 hours and up to the maximum 4 hours. When we finish with the machine, we just go back to the red button and flick the off. So like I say, you can use all that by remote, or can use the front panel of the machine to do the same operations. So let's have a look at changing the filters. So we've spun the unit round to show you the filtration part and how we're going to change the filters. You can see the first filter, the front one, is corrugated to give you a bigger working area and make it more efficient. So what we do is we unclip the top and the bottom clips, and that'll just draw out. And what you'll see on there is actually an airflow arrow. So when we put it back in, we make sure we put it in the right direction. And this filter will filtrate down to around 5 micron. The internal filter, which filtrates to around 1 micron, is just pulled out, and you can see the seals around the edge, which actually cause the vacuum. So all the dust will actually penetrate onto the filter and actually filtrate your workshop and give you a cleaner working environment. Now, they do get in a poor condition at times, and just to show you the type of dust and muck that it does pick up, these are ones that we took out earlier, and obviously these are ready for changing. They could be cleaned down by using an hoover, or if you're very careful, compressed air, but obviously they can't be washed or anything. It'll mulch the material and then it won't be efficient that it should be. So when we're putting the filters back in, obviously we put the inner filter in first. It's just a simple method of offering it back up, making sure we don't trap the filter bags, making sure the cushioning around the outside is trapped in, and we can just push and it'll seat as we put it back in. Make sure it's nice and square. Then we can check the airflow arrows again, make sure they're in the right position before we just offer that up, push into position, and then we can secure again with the top and bottom clip. Simple as that. Obviously both filters can be purchased individually. The one at the front is going to take the most wear and tear, and it'd be good to change that on a more regular basis, but obviously depending how often the machine's being run, it'll depend on the length of time it'll last and how often the filters will need changing. So any questions on that, please come back to us.